Hello, today we will discuss about how to plot this 3D graph of pendulum motion in Python. So I have one example. This is planar pendulum. The equation of motion of undamped planar pendulum shown in figure 9.1 is given by d square theta upon d tau square plus sin theta is equal to 0, where theta is angular coordinate describing the pendular motion and tau is equal to t, omega n is the nominal dimension time, where omega n is equal to under root g by L. So g is acceleration due to gravity and L is the length of the pendulum. Now we will integrate this function. So f theta 1 and theta 2 is equal to 1 by 2 theta whole square minus this converted into minus cos theta with integration, and where theta 1 is equal to theta and theta 2 is equal to d theta upon d tau, our function will be maximum this limit. So if I plot this diagram in 3D plot, it will look like this one. So we will try to plot this graph in Python. So how to do that? With this equation. So first we'll call our this from MPL toolkits, import our MPL 3D plot, and we'll import our numpy as NT, import matplot library .pylplot as plt, and we will import our math function because we need our theta. So now we'll define our function. First I will create one array as x is equal to np dot line space minus 2 multiplied by math dot py, and same thing but positive value, and we will divide with 35 degree each one. For y value is also same. So we had create one line space of x and y. Now we will create our mesh grid. So we will create x capital, y capital is equal to mesh grid np dot mesh grid, x comma y. So it will create our line space with respect to x and y, and it will divide rectangle with respect to x and y with value of this small x and y. So our now we'll define our function. So our function is z is equal to f x capital X and y. So what is function of z? Z is function of this one, this 1 by 2 theta square minus this cos theta 1. So we'll import define function f dot x and y and we will return it np dot power our theta 2 is equal to y. So y power 2, this power 2, and we will divide it with 2 and minus this cos theta 1. So this is our x value. So np dot cos x. So we had defined one function. So what it will do, it will calculate first value of 2 multiplied by pi, and it will create one mesh grid. Then it will go for this x function and y function. It will suppose it have one value and it has one value. So it will create one by one mesh grid, and then it will function goes to here. So 1 and 1 it will put here, and it will give our result. So it will return our result. Now we will create one figure command. Figure is equal to plot plt dot figure. It will create our figure. Now we'll define our projection is 3D. So x, I have defined x function is equal to plt dot axis, and we'll define projection is equal to 3D. So it will create our 3D graph. Now we'll define one new function is equal to x, this 3D figure, include plot space surface. It will create surface graph. What will along the z or x or y, will create y, x and z, and will this r side is equal to 1, and c stride is equal to 1. It will define your graph C map. It will define your color of your graph. I will define jet. It is typical rainbow color, edge color is equal to black. Now we will define our color bar. Figure, it will plot dot figure is equal to color bar new. So it will include our color bar also. Here you can see that this is color bar. It will include our color bar. So figure dot new, and we will ax dot set x label as theta 2, and same our y label is theta 1, and our z label is motion. Now we'll define our figure size. Figure dot set underscore size underscore inches 2310, and we'll save the figure plt dot save fig, and 3d dot jpj. Now our code is complete. If you run this code, you can see my graph plotted as this one. So by this way you can see that the function will give equation number 2 plotted figure 9.2 using program below. The lowest point of valley corresponding to stable equilibrium position of system. The peak located at theta is equal to plus or minus pi corresponding to unstable equilibrium position of the system. So this is our minus means theta 2, and this is our theta 1. So minimum is pi location and maximum is our 2 multiplied by pi. So this is minus 2 pi, and this is plus positive 2 pi, and this is only pi in between this value. So our maximum location is this theta at 0 angle. So by this way you can plot 3D command, and thank you guys.